The best advice I've ever heard for overthinkers is this. It's a quote that has helped me more than I can explain, and it comes from a book called The Horse, the Boy, the Fox, and the Mole. One of the most powerful quotes in the book goes like this. A boy and a horse are walking through the woods, and the boy says, "I can't see a way through." The horse calmly asks, "Can you see your next step?" The boy replies, "Yes." Then the horse says, "Just take that." We often get caught up worrying about the big picture, the goal, the future, how long the journey seems. It makes everything feel impossible. But the truth is, we don't have to figure it all out at once. Just take the next step. Life is a series of small steps, and with each one, you're moving closer to your goal. Don't stress about how far you have to go, or how long it will take. The future will come, and you'll get there. Right now, focus on the step right in front of you. Trust the process, and keep moving forward. One step at a time is all you need to worry about. If this message resonates with you, remember to take that first step today. Like, follow, and share, if you're ready to stop overthinking and focus on just one step at a time. Let's walk this journey together.